celebrating the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, who believed strongly in the power and potential of youth. To begin today's program, I would like to request the respected delegatories and also the students to offer flower to Swami Vivekananda as a mark of respect. So, please.
Most respected comrade sir.
January, today is 163rd birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu monk, the highest spiritual leader of India, the management guru, the leader of all leaders, business leader, political leaders, sports leaders, NSS leaders. All big personalities are highly inspired by Swami Vivekananda. Called SWOT analysis. Something very important. What is a SWOT analysis? Strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Swamiji said, know yourself. Who am I? Who am I? If I ask you, who are you? My question to you, who are you? An ideal life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscle, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success, and this is the way great spiritual giants are produced. Others are mere talking machines. Money, based on the passion, the money don't come. See, I tell you, you need to be a little bit of diplomatic and goal-oriented. Can we read Vivekananda from tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we jump into the social works?
Yes, sir.
Can we organize blood donation, medicine distribution, homeopathic medical camp, orthopedic camps? Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Can we organize food banks? Food banks day, can we motivate the people not to celebrate birthday in a bigger way, but to celebrate your birthday swap with the poor people of the country? Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Great.
I pledge to follow
I pledge to follow
the ideas of Swami Vivekananda
the ideas of Swami Vivekananda